Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we are back at it again here on Airidale for the 41st video of the Airidale series. And in today's video, we are basically just going to be doing some quests in the B ward and stuff like that. So if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe. Turn on push notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload. And come check out the server. The IP is goble.airidale.net. It will be in the top center of your screen throughout the entire video. Make sure that you guys come check out the server. I upload on here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of every single week. So if you guys do want to play with me, as I do play here every single day, make sure you guys come on. There's currently 26 players online. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and come on onto the network. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys will enjoy today's video. We have one more video this week on Airidale, and I will see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright, guys, so basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and I don't know why that just happened, but we're gonna go ahead and work on some of these quests. So if you guys didn't already know, there is a lot of quests that I need to get done, and a lot of quests that we could start over again and do once again, because it is a brand new day of the week. So yeah, that is pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and probably do that though. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is we need to first of all smelt all of this one stack of spruce logs and make it into charcoal. So basically what I'm gonna do right now is I'm coming over here to go ahead and get some coal so I can smelt this. So yeah, basically I just need 8 coal, I believe, and then I should be chilling. I should have enough, so hopefully I'll have enough once I get this 8 coal. But yeah, okay, so we just got the 8 coal, and now what we're basically just gonna go do is go smelt it, and we will see if we are doing all right. So I don't think you could I can't remember where you could smelt here. So yeah, we're gonna go find a place to smelt. We're gonna go smelt the stuff, and yeah, I will bring you guys back very soon. I need to get over here to the C ward and do the smelting though, and I'll bring you guys back once all of this stuff is smelted. But if you guys have been enjoying the Airidale series, just by the way, guys, we are almost halfway to 100 videos, so that would be really cool if you guys would go ahead and come check out the server if you guys haven't already, since we're so close. Alright, guys, so I actually got the charcoal. I had to smelt it in a normal furnace, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, we are going to okay, we are going to go over here, and we're going to do this really quick. We're gonna go give this charcoal to the person. So such quest, yeah, alright, hold on. Such quest. Okay, there we go. So now we need to go give this to Robert, which I believe is which guy is that? Is that this guy? Yes, it is. Alright, let's do that real quick. And there we go, 35k. Perfect. Alright, so the quest that I have, I need to get a stack of gold blocks. Alright, well, that's going to be a pain in the butt. I think what we're going to do is we're going to change it up a bit. And I think what we're going to do is try and get some more enchants. So I feel like we should get some sharpness upgrades on our axe, maybe. So let's see. How much is the next level of sharpness? Boom, sharpness 2. Okay, there we go. 56 more souls for the next one. That's interesting. Okay. Well, I don't know if we'll be able to do that. But yeah, guys, I will bring you guys back very soon. Alright, guys, so I was currently working on that quest to get the stack of gold blocks. But honestly, it's going to take me a bit of time, so I do need to come to the night warp in mine, because it probably gives me more gold, because it doesn't give me all the other useless stuff that I don't need. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Is probably just, you know, go mining here and do this, and then obviously I'm gonna have to smelt 9 stacks of gold, which is gonna be very fun, very fun. So yeah, that should be great, and hopefully you guys will end up enjoying. But it's gonna take me a bit to get this video done. Normally it doesn't take me as long to get my videos done here on Airidale, but yeah, this video is gonna be a pain in the butt to record. It's probably going to take me maybe the rest of the time that I need to be able to use towards making thumbnails and stuff tonight, just to make this video. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but it's whatever, guys. Alright guys, so a little bit of an update. I only have about 2.5 stacks. I've been mining for maybe 5 minutes since the last clip, or maybe less than that actually. Maybe like a couple minutes, like 3 or 4 or 2, something like that. Anyways, basically I think this is going to take a bit longer than necessary, so I have a feeling we should just work on some more quests rather than just this one. I feel like it would definitely be best if we did that, but I'm not sure. So we need to figure that out. But all I know is that for right now, I'm gonna continue mining, I suppose. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. It is very, very fun. Yeah, definitely very fun mining for a long time. But anyways, basically, the mine's resetting. Hopefully we could get some more gold now. So basically what I think I'm going to do is I think I might just go ahead, and once I get halfway there, we might do something else. But we did do a lot in today's video. We upgraded our tools and stuff as well, our weapons, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I think what I'm gonna do is just continue mining, and I will bring you guys back very, very shortly. So yeah. Alright guys, change of plans. As you guys could see, I just got all the stuff that I needed. So I'm gonna do such spawn, and we're gonna go get some stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go to the B ward and get some coal, and then we should be good to smelt. Or actually, we're gonna go to the C ward because the smelting area is there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come over here to the C ward, and yeah, we're going to get the coal that we need. I'm gonna get about 64 coal almost, and yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so I got exactly a stack of coal. Obviously I'm gonna need a little bit more, so I'm gonna go grab an extra 8 real quick. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna need in total 32 in my inventory, so I do need a little bit more than just 8 more. But yeah, once I get this coal sorted out, I think what we're gonna go ahead and do next is probably going to be, we are going to hold on, wait 1 second, let me grab this. We're probably just gonna go ahead and finish off that quest, and then we'll go ahead and finish off the video. So yeah, we are going to go ahead and do that in just a minute here. So yeah guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put all of this here, and here we go. There we go, stack of gold blocks. And by the way guys, if I really wanted to, I could have bought the gold blocks myself, but then I would have had to convert them to gold ingots and then convert them back to gold blocks in order to have it count as crafting a stack, which isn't really that big of a deal. But yeah, I feel like it's way better if I just do it normally by myself, because it does save money, so that I do make more profit, even though it would save time. But anyways, let's do such quest. Let's make sure we're vanished. Alright, yes we are. Let's get up here, and let's go check this out. And by the way guys, if you guys do not like that I do have vanish, it is for content purposes. I don't want to be dying when I'm trying to record my video for you guys, because it's a pain in the butt, and pretty much all of my OP tools and everything, as you guys know, are all spawned in. And that is for content purposes. So if I do die, the owner has to find the source of where they're at and get them back and reverse everything that happened in the process of them either being sold to other people or anything like that. So yeah guys, basically now what we need to do is kill vindicators. So that's in this cave over here. We need to just basically fight these vindicators over here, which are basically like the pillager looking things that we can see inside of this cave. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and kill 15 of these, and I will bring you guys back very, very soon. Actually guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload. And also make sure you guys come check out the server. goble.airidale.net is the IP, and I play on here every single day, and I upload on here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you guys come check it out. the IP was in the top of the screen for the entire video throughout the entire thing. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.